My dear students, today I am going to teach you about the concept of point, line, line segment and ray. Okay. At first, there is point. What is point? A point, if you take a marker pen and put its tip, that means on a whiteboard, that means the dot. The dot, for example, the dot is called a point. Okay. A point neither has a length nor has its breadth. Okay. A point is denoted by a capital letter. That means if you put a, this is point A, okay, this is point B and this is point C. That means point is always denoted with a capital letter. The question is like this: how many line can passes through a point? If the question is how many line can passes through a point, that means through a point, you see here, this is a point. Through a point there are infinite number of lines. Next one is line can pass. The definition of line. What is the definition of line? A line is the collection of infinite number of points. Okay, you can see here line. Like that means infinite number of points is there in a line. Okay, this is the line. Okay, that means infinite number of points are there in a line. Clear? Always remember, a line has only length, it has no breadth. Okay. Next, if the next question is how many lines can be drawn through three non-collinear points? At first you have to know what is collinear point. Okay, if three points lie on a same plane are said to be collinear point or line of collinearity. Okay, that means if they are all, if the point is a line, if the points A, B and C, if the points lie on the same plane, then you can say the points are collinear. Okay. Next one is non-collinear points. Simple thing you can understand. That means if the points are not on the same line, if A, this B, okay, and this is C, that means B and C are non-collinear. They are not lie on the non-collinear points. Means here. This is non-collinear points. Okay, A, B and C. You can see here one line, two line and three lines. That means we can draw three straight line through three non-collinear points. Okay. Next one is line segment. What is line segment? The portion of a line is called a line segment. That means the portion of a line is called a line segment. Okay, it has two end points. A line segment has two end points. Okay. Next one is ray. The definition of ray: with an initial point and extend from an initial point we can draw infinite number of rays. Okay, that means if this is the initial point, we can draw infinite number of rays. Clear? Like this, infinite number of rays you can draw. Okay. Achha. If the question is what is the maximum number of times that two line segment can meet each other. Okay, that means 1. The answer will be 1. If the two line segment AB and there is CD, then the maximum number of times they meet each other, that is 1. More thing you always remember, if the lines are parallel, then they never meet each other. Okay, so up to this for today. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. So stay at home, stay safe.